Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will explore how to run a Docker container inside of a Docker container, which is also known as Docker in Docker. Are you excited? Let's get started. So, first of all, let's check if the Docker services are running. Now, let's launch a container in interactive mode, give it a unique name and elevate it with privileged permissions. Use CentOS image version 7. In order to download Docker Runtime, we need to configure yum repositories. For that, use yum config manager, and add Docker CE repo. Once done with that, install Docker and Docker-related plugins using yum command as shown. The installation process will take a few minutes. Now, start the Docker services using the dockerd command. Here we cannot use systemctl because the container is running a bash process and not a systemd or systemctl process. Finally, let's start a container inside of container using docker run command. Launch it in interactive mode. After giving the command, first of all, image will be pulled and then the container will be started. Now, let's run a few commands like ping and ps. When we run the ps command, we can see bash as a process. So we have successfully launched the container on top of the container. Let's use the exit command and move to the parent container. Let's once again run the ps command. We can see that the dockerd process is running, which means that Docker services are up. Now let's exit from here and return to the base OS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.